4 pieces of bread will be used this time. Cut into half. Mince 2 garlic. Make sure this is finely minced because this will be mixed together with other items in the ingredient. I'll be using 1 potato this time. This will be also kind of finely cut. This is done as such to ensure the potato is well cooked because we will be using oven this time. One tablespoon of pesto rosso, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamico vinegar. Add the garlic and also the potato. 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix all well and we will spread this mix onto the bread. It is now ready to be transferred to the oven. Baking time is 30 minutes with 175 degrees C. The paste has nicely seeped in. Texture would be slightly hard and crispy, and this goes well if you are dipping it into a sauce, or it goes well also with soups.